Good morning, today is Sunday and we are going to Disneyland Paris for a couple of days and we are so excited to go. This will be Sean's first time to Disney and, well, not to Disney but to Disneyland Paris.
Yeah, to Paris.
And our little girl's first time going to Disney as well, so really excited to see Ariella experiencing it. My mum and dad as well, they've decided to add on, so it'll be super fun and I'm hoping that we all enjoy it and it's not going to be too hot. But we're flying from Liverpool, so it's not too long of a flight, like an hour and a half, and then we should get to Paris around 4:30. We'll be going to see the fireworks tonight, hopefully, if Ariella will last, so we'll see. And we'll show you the hotel and everything when we get there. We're staying in the Cheyenne, I think is how you say it. So we're really looking forward to it and can't wait to bring you along with us. We're all ready to go now. Well, Ari's still asleep and we need to get her dressed, but we're ready.
Yeah, we're still ready. We need to go and get her ready, but it shouldn't take too long.
No, we just need to throw on our outfit. We've got little Lilo and Stitch leggings and a little pink top, so it looks super cute. But all we need now...
You show them.
I need my ears. I kind of want to wear them in the airport, but I don't know if it'll just look a bit like... don't know.
Yeah, I'd wait till we're like approaching Disney before you Disneyfy yourself. Even though
you've
already got Disney
sort of. I got this from Florida when it was the 100th anniversary, so yeah. Are you in the airport, Fluffy? Are you ready?
Ready for?
Are you ready to join your outfit? Come on, are you? We've arrived, we're at Hotel Cheyenne. We've just got here, we had a private transfer. We were going to get a taxi, but it just seemed like it was going to be a nightmare and really expensive. So yeah, we had the transfers, which was really nice. The car had like little twinkly lights in the roof, and he put Moana and stuff on as well, so it was quite a nice journey. And first impressions of the hotel are really good. We really like the theming. There's lots of like Wild West. The little lamp in the room's really cool. It's got like woody on the shades. And just really nice theming really. So yeah, we've just got here. The baby fell asleep literally the minute we were pulling up, like actually the minute we were pulling up, so we've put her in the pram for a bit. Just gonna unpack and just kind of see where the night takes us, hoping to grab some food and hopefully to see the fireworks. But Sean's just chilling on the little bed that kind of pops out. Harry's in there in the pram. We've got a little cot that we need to set up so it's a bit cozier for her, and my mum and dad are a little bit like outdoor, aren't they, from us?
Yeah, they're like close to reception.
Yeah, they're by reception, whereas we're closer to the parks, I'd say.
We're like on the edge of this
like strip.
Yeah.
But yeah, it shouldn't be too bad, and I just really love all the like little details with like Woody on here and like all the pictures up at the top. It's just cute. It's not like overly in your face, not really like childish or anything either. I think it's quite nice, even if you were just adult only. and you didn't have any kids. I think it's quite really cute. Don't think you can see much outside actually. I haven't looked.
You can see a lot of people walking down that way. I just looked down.
Can you?
Yeah.
Let's have a nose. Oh gosh, yeah, there's quite a lot of people. I wonder if is that way towards the park. It's like a little canal, and there's people walking that way and back. So possibly we shall see. So we've got a little coffee station, which I think these are pods. They're pods, aren't they, Sean? The little Lazar ones. I think there are pods in this, if I am correct. Yeah, there's pods in here. Yeah, I think so. I think they're included because you get some water as well when you arrive. So we've got... don't even know what this is. Can't see where it says in English. And then I think they're milk. And then you've got like some teas, but no doubt my mum and dad will have brought their own teas. Disneyland. What have you found? Did you get the things from the bathroom? You didn't last for a very long asleep, did you? Is it because we were chatting? Putting them down? Yay! Daddy's making a cup of coffee already. We're all here. We're all in Disney-fied. Dad's forgot his hat. And Addie's on the pram. On our way to go and get something to eat. We're going to Disney Village, it's called. It's like Mackey's, Five Guys, and other bits and bobs. But we're hungry because it's tea time and the baby is definitely going to be hungry. But it's cute around here. And it's nice and bright. Nice weather. And there's a little... would you say it's a lake? Is it a lake?
It's a canal type thing, isn't it?
Oh, canal. It's cute though.
Like a river.
So our room is one of them, isn't it? Because we saw people walking down here.
So you don't have to go all the way round to get in, you can go in any.
See how long those Crocs last, because they're the only shoes that I've brought. So many. We're after Disney Village. We went to McDonald's. It was absolutely heaving. Looked at the ducks and things like that, and then Sean sorted our photo pass as well. So we've got that to get some nice pictures, and now we're just going to the Disneyland Park. It is currently 8:05 and the fireworks aren't on until 10:40, so we'll see if we can do some rides and things, but I'm not too sure what time actually the rides close. She's laughing her head off because she's holding tomato sauce still. What are you doing? Putting sauce on her head. Has not noticed it yet. You see the castle? Dad, what do you think? Dad? Can you see the castle? She's not even listening.
She's not listening. Can you see the castle?
It's a small world. Apparently it's only a 5-minute wait, so we're going to take this and it'll be Ariella's very first ride. The most annoying song. It's a little wall. Just space to see. 5-minute wait, so we've got Mum and Dad going on. What was this called? Star Tours, I think. So Sean doesn't like it because it makes him feel sick.
Report any suspicious looking humanoid.
15-minute wait for Hyperspace Mountain, so we got my dad on it. We did the Star Tours, but it was all in French. So I don't know if there was an English version as well, but my mum and dad seemed to enjoy it. It was making me laugh because my mum was like screaming next to me every time it dipped. But yeah, let's see what this is like.
I know.
Right, we've just got off. What do you think? Oh, we need the photo. We need to try and find it. Go on, what did you think?
It's alright.
It was so nice.
Not
A
going
bit
on again now.
windswept. She's laughing at you. His granddad thought it was scary.
Oh, she goes round, everyone's trying to join in.
Come on, it was alright. You were fine. Only bruised all my arms from clinging. Look at me hair.
I know.
It was windy. I took them off. What did you think, Sean?
Really good. I just didn't expect how quick it was
The
straight away.
takeoff was fast, especially considering it was like that. Yeah, it goes. You see it go up.
You start at the bottom and then you think it's going to be one of those traditional roller coasters
It wasn't,
that goes
it was-
slow, but it just waits at the bottom and then you go boom.
You're knackered now. Your hair was everywhere. I had a little quiff. It was good though. It was a good experience. Just won't be doing it again. Are you waving? Got a little beignet while we're waiting. We try. Is it chocolate?
Yeah.
I took a video. No chocolate in here.
Does say it's supposed to have it. Might be right in the middle.
Nothing in that bit.
Is it nice?
Right? See?
Chocolate.